Hear me now, TVS.
LB, yeah. Hi, I'm Tyeisha and welcome to Shonna's Space. So, it's actually been such a long time since I've recorded myself doing my hair and posted it on this channel. So what have I been doing? So since the last hair video, I've cut off my green ends. Obviously there's still like a little bit of a residual because it's so hard to actually get off all the hair color unless like you chop. So for the last couple weeks, probably like 2 or 3 weeks, my hair has actually been black. So I actually just took off some braids about 2 days ago. So today I'm just going to be, I guess, washing my hair and styling it. Although I haven't really been in the mood to do my hair in such a long time. Hence why there has been no hair videos. So today, instead of using traditional shampoo, I'm actually going to be using a clay mask to just, take out the impurities or whatever. Well, not take out the impurities, but like to cleanse my hair. So what are the benefits of a clay mask? Obviously I don't want to talk too much because then the intro will be too long, but a hair mask basically improves the circulation. It provides slight exfoliation, so that's great for like your face as well. It treats dandruff, encourages hair growth, improves hair elasticity. It kind of encourages your hair to grow as well. It strengthens the hair. Like I said, I don't want to do too much talking. Also, I'm going to be... Did I say which clay I'm using? I'm using The Voice. I'm using Kaolin clay. Now, I'm probably not pronouncing this right, so I'll put it on the screen. Kaolin clay is not like the strongest clay, so usually you hear people using bentonite clay for the most part, or Rasul, not quite sure how to pronounce that, so I'll also put that on the screen. You hear what people using those clays, but in terms of putting on your face and putting in your hair, Kaolin clay is for people with more sensitive like hair and skin, I guess, because, well, mostly the skin, because it doesn't draw impurities, it doesn't like suck away everything as strongly as bentonite clay does, because of the ionic capability. Let's not get too sciencey. So basically, that's why we're using Kaolin clay. I'm going to be using, instead of apple cider vinegar or just plain water, I'm actually going to be adding green tea. Green tea has a lot of benefits, but I'll talk about those benefits as I'm doing my hair, because green tea is actually all the products I'm using today. And today's wash day, styling, whatever, all the products that I'm going to be using are going to be featuring green tea, because green tea is really good for reducing hair loss. Alright, so I've mixed up my green tea and Kaolin clay. So I'm just gonna run it through my hair almost like a... Oh wow. Well, my hair looks so straight. Like almost as if I am kind of defining my hair as I go along. I guess it's actually a little bit too heavy for that part. That's what it looks like. So I made mine quite liquidy, but the reason it's so liquidy is because the green tea was very hot when I mixed it in. So I'm just gonna go through and come back. Also, I didn't measure out or anything like that. I think you should just, add as you would like until you get like the consistency that you want. So you should probably like start with the amount of clay that you want and like add a bit of water, but I think it's a 2-to-1 ratio. I'm not quite sure. But why is my hair looking so straight? Because this is actually my first time using this clay. Goodness. Yeah, it's probably too heavy. Let me try a different spot. Also, when you're mixing this, you don't want to use anything with metal in it. Make sure you're using plastic or wood, I think, because then the clay will actually draw out everything from those things. Alright, it's just back. Alright, cool, we good. So I'll be right back. I look ridiculous right now, but I have the clay mask on my face and my hair. So I'm just gonna rinse it out now, and then I'm gonna come back and style. But look at that definition. Like my hair actually, you can actually see some semblance of curls, and the back part, which had actually looked straight, it actually came back out and now it's curled. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back. I have recently cleared. I didn't even condition. I don't feel like conditioning today. I know that's bad. That's like a sin. But my hair actually feels so nice and soft. It doesn't feel like overly dry. Like usually when I use shampoo and conditioner, my hair is so dry. Excuse me sniffling. Like my sinuses are doing the absolute work right now. So now it's time to style my hair. And today I'm going to be using this hair product that I made. Is kind of like, yeah, it's kind of thick actually. But this is going to be my leave-in, and I'm going to, today I'm using the LOC method. So this is my leave-in, this is my oil, and then this is my styling. This is my styling cream. So all of these products that I'm using today, I would have made, and they all have in green tea. So the leave-in, which is actually, you know, like a hair and skin lotion, it actually has is green tea and glycerin. You know, glycerin is a humectant, so it basically draws in water from the atmosphere, keeping your hair hydrated, I guess, and moisturized. And I think I mentioned it earlier, but green tea basically helps with hair fall. So it stops your hair from shedding as much because of it has in it, can't call the word. I'm gonna put it over there because my pronunciation is horrible. I can't talk today. Honestly, most of the time I can't talk. And then the oil mix that contains peppermint oil, olive oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, nutmeg, and clove. And then the product that I'm using to style with, that has so it's actually going to give me like a light bulb because it has in flaxseed gel, aloe gel, green tea as well. So that's it. Never know one thing, never know one thing. So while I'm thinking to just do like some twists. I haven't done twists in my hair in a minute actually. So I can do a twist out. And this styling product that I'm using, it actually is very moisturizing as well because it contains shea butter. What oil is it going? I think it has in castor oil, olive oil, vitamin E oil. Great. But like, can we talk about my hair now that the green is off? Like, my hair is even. You see, I could put this in one. Like, I mean, it's a little struggle puff because I got that much hair. But I could put my hair in one though. Ugh. So just so that you see like the texture of the product that I am using. Yeah. And let's see it on my hair. Honestly, when it comes through and I start defining my hair, it's got me real tempted to actually do a wash and go. But I am trying to, I may actually start trying to take care of my hair. So I'm going to actually twist it. So I feel like everybody knows how to twist. So I'm just going to do this one on camera, and then I'm actually going to come back when it's time to unravel my twist. For my twist though. So it's been a couple of hours. My hair is completely dry now. At least it feels dry. So I'm just gonna put some oil on my fingertips, and then I'm just going to unravel these twists. Look at that. Although this kind of feel a little bit damp now that I open it. But I already started, so I am going to continue. So some of these are actually still wet. And I am going to continue because I already started, but the definition is looking pretty good. I'm actually not going to disturb this or anything, so as soon as I finish opening my twist, that is the end of the hairstyle, because I like to, it's pretty humid in Barbados, so I don't pick up my hair or fluff it up or anything like that. I just open it the day in front, the day before I have to leave home, and then wear it to suit. But in this instance, I'm actually opening my hair 2 days before I have to leave home. That way, that by the time I'm ready to put it up, or maybe even style it differently, I will be ready. Okay, so this is my hair finished open. It has definition, it's not frizzy or anything like that. I would say that my products did the same job that a commercial product would have done. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna say if you guys are interested in seeing me make a product or products or whatever, just let me know in the description. Sorry, not in the description, in the comments below. Obviously, I'm not going to make all of my products on camera because can't give away all the secrets. But I have a little side part going. I actually really miss my colored hair. I feel like I really look like a child because I basically have a baby face and then I have short natural hair. So I probably will be dyeing my hair, bleaching it, dyeing in a couple of weeks or so. So I'm taking color suggestions as well. So let me know in the comments below what color you think I should go next. But thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.